Hi, my name is Jesse Piascik. I am the creator of Imdone Frictionless Kanban for your markdown and code. And tonight I'm going to share with you a feature I've been working on, integration with the Jira. And this is done through some board actions that I've created in a plugin. So right now it can publish and update to and from Jira to a card in the Imdone Kanban. And in case you haven't seen Imdone before, Imdone literally just takes to do comments from your code and your markdown and puts them in a Kanban board that you can then manipulate those cards with the board. So backing this card right here, we're going to use this one as an example. Backing this card right here is a markdown file. So there's a simple keyboard shortcut in Imdone that will take us to that markdown file, and that is Command O. So I'm going to hit Command O, and you can see it's just some simple markdown with a little bit of to-do.txt style metadata in it. This card right here is ended with 2 empty spaces. So if I put this garbage in that card, you're not going to see it here in the card. But if I did put something, down here, you would see it in the card. So you see there's only one line breaking that, so we'll just add 2. You'll see that lettering go away. I can do the same thing there, make the numbers go away. Okay, so that garbage is out of the card. So what we're going to do here is take this card that's in view mode right now. We're going to publish this to Jira. I've got a Jira project. Just so you can see it's not there right now. We don't have one called import issues to Imdone by JQL query, do we? We do not. So this is the project, the Jira project I have it configured with. I'm going to refresh, and of course Jira is going to take its sweet time to do that. Okay, great. It's working good tonight. All right, let's publish it. So you can see publish Jira issue shift mod P. Mod is just command or control. So shift mod P. Publishing import, blah, blah, blah. You can see it did that and it added a link. The card looks the same. That's just a heading that was added by the plugin. So now we can get back to that issue pretty quickly. So I'm just going to click on that and it'll take us directly to that issue. And you can see the issue is added here. And okay, once it refreshes, you can see this has an X, right? So the task wasn't completed. And if we refresh this page, we should also see that issue, import issues to Imdone by JQL query. All right, great. So now we want to just update it from Jira. So let's just change something in the title here, and maybe let's add another item in this list, and we'll paste that in. Update all cards from Jira. How about we all cards from Jira matching a user defined JQL query. Okay, we'll just save this. And now we go back to Imdone and we want to update it. You can see update card from Jira, shift mod U, same thing, command shift U. We're updating from Jira, and there we go. It's been changed. So now imagine you can just track your issues straight from your GitHub repo or in a separate folder. You can take them with you. They're yours to keep. You can get all kinds of data about them in metadata. So that's the capability that you've got. And it's much faster than doing this in Jira. Keeps me in my desktop, in the files themselves. Now another feature, another thing I'm going to add to this feature is the ability to do this via command line. So let's say you have a bunch of, you define a folder where you're going to keep these things. Right now I'm keeping them in these oddball files just for dates. But if I just said, Imdone plugins dev, maybe it had a issues or backlog folder, and each one of those was a card, I could simply publish straight from there. on the command line. I could also do it from the Imdone application. So that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you stay tuned for more updates. Thank you and have a good night.